Welcome to another RAGBRAI training session. This one's a little special. I'm going to push myself on distance. It's either going to be 50 or 60 miles. I'm doing a Ride for MS event in preparation of RAGBRAI, as well as to raise money to fight muscular sclerosis. I set certain milestones. When I raised $500, I'd ride a 50-mile ride and $600 for a 60-mile ride. So if my legs are up to it, I'm going to try to do the 60 today. If not, I'll just take that loop out and I'll do the 50. So let's tag along and see how I do. This is the Poudre River Trail. It's mostly downhill way out, uphill the way back, but going out, fighting a little bit of a headwind, so my ride just doesn't perfectly flat ride the whole time. Over the river and through the woods. Less glamorous part of the trail, but it's here so we don't have to ride on the road. Thank you, Windsor. On your left. And suddenly we're in farmland. Where did all the trees go? Bugs are all still here though. Stopped and had a brew and a burger at Weldwerks in Greeley. Feeling pretty good, about halfway done. 27 miles or so, so if I go to 60, I'm not quite halfway. Feeling pretty good. Legs were a little jello-y getting on the bike, but after a couple pedals, I feel fine. We'll see how it goes. Check in later. Trails closed for a washout during the winter, so unfortunately, have to take this detour on the way out and back on the road, which I do not like. I did it. 60.5 miles in just under 4 hours. 16.2-ish miles per hour moving speed. So pretty good. I did it. Thank you all for your donations for the Ride MS. It's going to a good cause.